The recent advances in the neuroscience says that we can fire the brain to rewire it. Actually, the brain is always fired subconsciously, habitually, by the mind. Question arises that if the mind is in stress and we are firing the brain, our attitude, our expression, and the personality goes towards the stress and the suffering. Question comes, what is more important, the mind or the brain? Yes, the science talks about the brain as mind in action. But the Eastern wisdom says that the mind is a different entity that brings together the consciousness at one end and the matter at the other end. It is in between. It is neither consciousness nor matter. And that works through the brain. The most beautiful understanding of the Eastern wisdom, it says that this mind exists in 5 subjective and the 5 objective states. Out of the 5 subjective states, the first is wandering mind, the second is lazy mind, the third is crazy or always blaming mind. So as long as the mind remains in these 3 subjective states, it cannot fire the brain correctly. And because of that, the mindfulness practice brings the marvelous result. And that is what the neuroscience have started saying, that when you practice mindfulness, when you are into that state, there is an inward moving of awareness and attention that fires the brain to rewire it. But that inward moving of awareness and attention is the 4th state only. And the 5th state, because of the inward moving of awareness and attention, the mind drops into the 5th state that is devoid of any content in it. And when there is absence of all the contents in the mind, it is this emptiness or empty state of the mind. This is the beginning of mindfulness, not the end of it. We have at least 5 to 10 different stages of mindfulness or meditation explained in the Eastern wisdom.